Keep your cabin cool with a best-in-class heat shield, Mega Block, or thinner, more flexible Thermal Block from Second Skin Audio. Mega Block is half an inch of hydrophobic melamine foam with a 1000-degree Fahrenheit aluminum heat shield on one side and a PSA on the other. The best of both worlds. Insulation and heat shield. Like chocolate and peanut butter, whiskey and a good cigar, or, well, melamine foam and aluminum. Perfect for installing under the hood or the engine side of the firewall to keep an expensive paint job safe from heat or just keep the cabin cooler. The peel and stick backing makes the install easy. Thermal Block is also peel and stick, but it's only 1/8 of an inch thick and backed with organic fibers instead of foam. It's a really easy, quick fix for thermal hotspots like the fuel tank, brake line, the exhaust tunnel, or above a muffler or catalytic converter. Both heat shields reflect 98% of radiant heat, but Mega Block is temperature rated to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit and Thermal Block to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Both are plenty high to handle even a turbocharged or supercharged engine. We put it to the test with blazing heat on one side and an ice-cold daiquiri on the other to see if it would melt. Let's take a look. Hot and sunny on side A, and sweet and cool on side B. Perfecto. Get Mega Block and Thermal Block from the best in automotive insulation here at Second Skin Audio.